Hey everybody, thanks for checking us out at Orlando Harley Davidson South for the Bike of the Week. My name's Josh and I'm a fit specialist here.
I take my time, flex like whoa. I take my time, jets, let's go. I take my time, flex like whoa. Tell them bye though.
This week's pick is the 2020 Fatboy 114, which comes in 7 different colors. This one being stiletto red, a rock and roll color for a rock and roll bike.
Taking shots, but your aim is funny. I give you the business like a family came for money. Your change is funny. If you paying rent and on real estate, it's time for you to reevaluate and innovate. I broke that door. Now I'm speaking at the podium. Ain't broke no more. Campbell soup that's full of sodium. I spoke that.
With this beast of a bike, you're getting nothing but raw Harley power with the Milwaukee 8 motor and the 114, which is about 1868 cc's. It features the 6-speed cruise drive, which the front tire is going to be 160 millimeters and the back tire is going to be 240 millimeters.
When you wake up in the morning, see that song guy. I take my time, flex like whoa. I take my time, jets, let's go. I take my time, flex like whoa. Tell them bye though.
This bike is the ultimate head turner with its chrome finishes everywhere, as well as its signature solid disc wheels. Also fully loaded with 5-gallon tank for long rides without stopping. So if you're looking for performance and to just be the life of the party, the Fatboy 114 is definitely the bike for you.
Every time I got a rifle, when I see him in a scope, it got me feeling spiteful. I'm taller than the Eiffel, and got me feeling spiteful. So tell the homie Bido. Now I don't like the rock jewels, man, I'd rather drop.
This exhaust comes stock with the bike, but obviously you have always the option to change it your own way. Sounds great stock. Also, with all Softail models, it comes with the monoshock in the back, and it's hand adjustable right here for softer or more rigid rides. This Fatboy also comes standard with the LED lighting system, so maximum visibility while you're riding. Even though this is a stripped down, raw Harley look Softail, it still has comfort with its footrests and the passenger seat.
I take my time, flex like whoa, tell them bye though. I take my time, flex like whoa. I take my time, jets, let's go. I take my time, flex like whoa, tell them bye though. I take my time, flex like whoa. I take my time, jets, let's go.
And as always, thanks so much for watching the Bike of the Week. My name's Josh here at Orlando Harley Davidson South. Please join in our YouTube channel to check out more content on bikes, hacks, and more. And as always, thanks so much for watching the Bike of the Week. My name's Josh here at Orlando Harley Davidson South. Please join in our YouTube channel to check out more content on bikes, hacks, and more.